Hey guys, we have our 2025 4Runner behind us, and we have our original Prinsu rack installed, and we're going to be throwing on this accessory panel on. Let's get started. All right, as a quick overview, we should have a mounting bracket and then the accessory panel itself. We will have four provided bolts on each side, and that will bolt our accessory panel to our bracket, and then a couple suction cups, and we'll go over placement on that a little bit later. All right, as a quick tip, I recommend putting something on the top of your vehicle to protect the paint. When you take out these crossbars, they do like to drop, so you don't want to put any scratches on your vehicle. So it's going to be these four crossbars that we need to remove the hardware for and this mounting foot. And then once we get that mounting bracket up here, then we'll use these original hardware from the rack to bolt that on. All right, we have our suction cups on here now. There should be specific mounting locations. This isn't a final version, so these might move a little bit, but they're gonna be pretty close to where they're at currently. We do have a larger suction cup and then a smaller suction cup. And we just got the bolts started on here, so these can move around a little bit, and that'll help the suction cup adhere to the vehicle a little bit better. So we wanna do that before we tighten them up. All right, we have our panel up here, and this is gonna allow us to figure out where our suction cup is gonna land. The window doesn't need anything protective, but on our paint, we wanna put on this protective vinyl. And so you can make a couple marks here, and then we'll take our accessory panel off and throw this on here, and that'll just, like I said, help protect your paint. All right, we got our panel up on here. We tightened down these bolts, and we have our protective tape on. Now we can apply some pressure to the suction cups, and you gotta pump that a handful of times before it seats fully, and we'll do that on both of them. Here's our accessory panel installed on our original Prinsu rack. If you have any questions, remember to leave them in the comments below, and we'll see you out on the trails.